Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure your My TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as any casting device, and that the TV system and YouTube app are updated. This prevents compatibility problems. Once done, open the YouTube app on the TV and note the sign in or cast icons. If you plan to sign in, have your Google credentials ready so you can link the account. If casting, keep your phone or laptop unlocked and connected to the same network. Now proceed to link or cast. Use the My TV remote to open YouTube, go to Settings and choose Sign In. Follow the on-screen code flow at YouTube. /activate to connect your Google account, which syncs subscriptions and recommendations. Alternatively, open YouTube on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select your My TV. This streams directly and keeps playback controls on your device. Make sure both devices stay on the same Wi-Fi and that the YouTube app remains. Finish by choosing a video, playlist, or live stream and press play using the remote or your mobile device if casting. You can also use the voice button on the My Remote for faster search. Once playing, adjust volume, captions, and quality in the player menu to match your network speed. If playback fails, reboot the TV and router, confirm both devices are on the same network, and reauthorize the YouTube app. These steps resolve most connection and sign-in issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.